Okay, welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. We've got an unboxing today. Thank you so much for stopping in. I hope this video finds you well. I've got a new watch to share at the channel. Just want to show you guys. It is from watchgain.com, which, if you know, is a monthly subscription service. But this particular one is specifically from their watch wheel. It's from the first tier of it. And if you don't know, the watch wheel is essentially just it's a site where you can add watches to a wheel, and you may win one of more value or the value that you paid. This is from their first tier. It's about $50 to get into. We're going to take a look at it. Let's look at an affordable watch. We do look at some more expensive pieces on this channel, or I would say, not crazy expensive, but just, some that are in the maybe higher or hundreds of dollars. And then, it is nice every now and again to throw in a piece that is affordable. So this one's about $50 to get into. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it's about. Let me know if you'd wear it in the comment section below. As I get my desk ready to go, I do want to say also, I think we're like 100. I think we're 391 subscribers. So we're about 109 away from our 500 subscriber giveaway. It's coming up. I can't wait. I'm going to send somebody a watch winder and an automatic watch. If you want to be a part of that, like I said, be the cool guy, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to send you something. So we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to have essentially a contest, and one lucky person will get that watch winder, and we'll get a watch here. Maybe even one for my personal collection. So I can't wait to send out somebody something cool, okay? Quick wristwatch check. This is the Aquasi Cave Diver. I love this piece just because, again, it wasn't expensive. It's about $100, but also at the same time, it looks very nice. It looks much more than $100, and I just feel like you can put it on. People talk to you about it. They ask you questions about it, and it's not even one of your best pieces. Something happens to it, you don't care. So, pretty awesome watch, pretty nice. Love the blue dial, blue sunburst. I do have an unboxing of this. We'll drop that in the description below, okay? Let's get into today's unboxing. So we'll bring the box in, and we've got Johnson & Sons, okay? So now they're an affordable brand. I think they do put out from what I've seen, decent for the money, but this is more on the affordable side. They can't all be, $100+ or $400 or $500, platinum tier, this, that. Sometimes it's about an affordable piece. So let's see the offerings for $50, okay? All right, and then the thing on this is that it didn't really have any warranty information or card or anything like that with it, but it does have the tag here. So here's the tag here. I guess they put the logo, MSRP, that sort of thing. And now this, guys, is the Imperial. That's the name of the collection, is the Imperial. So as you can see there, it's ticking. You have a quartz. And the dial, I do like the large numbers on the dial. The three that are on there. I do like those three being very large. I think style-wise, it's not a bad-looking piece overall. But let's play our usual game when I try this on, which is guess the case size. So it's kind of a big case, and I want to know what your impressions are when I try it on my wrist, and then we're going to check out the website. We'll see what they are officially. So of course, this is all standard fare, guys. This is stainless steel. If you can see it's kind of a mirrored finish going on the back there. And also, let's see here. We've got Johnson & Sons there on the buckle there. Let's take a look. Just kind of a cheaper clasp going on there. As you can see here, it's not anything too crazy. But in terms of I have it upside down. In terms of the overall design of the watch, I really don't think it's a bad watch for $50 anyway. Let's try this on. Let's see what it looks like. You get to some of these cheaper watches, and there's not really a whole lot to say. It's a stainless steel, watch, and it has usually a Japanese quartz movement at this price point. let's take a look here. Let's see it on the wrist. But in terms of that, I mean, you know, you're not looking at a crazy water resistance. You're not looking at any crazy sapphire crystal. You're not, I mean, you know, you're not getting specs. Bear with me, guys. I'm just strapping this up. You're not getting any specs that are, you know, going to be anything groundbreaking at this particular price point. Okay, there we go. So we got it strapped on here. Now, one thing I will say is that it fits me perfectly. Well, I don't know about perfectly. It might be just a little bit no, actually no, as I move it down to where it should be. It does fit me pretty perfectly. So once again, I didn't have to size it. I haven't taken any links out, and it fits me perfectly anyway. But there's our case. So as you can see, it's a pretty good size for the Johnson & Sons here. Let me know in the comment section below what you think the case size is once we reveal it here. But not a bad looking overall piece. Definitely very big, very masculine. I feel like it commands power here. If you're compensating, I guess. But but let's take a look here in the comment section below and we'll get out of here. Like I said, it's a simple, affordable piece, guys. Let's see here. So here's the specs as I bring this in. There we go. So you can see they don't say a whole lot, you know? They don't say a whole lot. In fact, on there, they don't even tell you the movement when you look at the specifications. Now, obviously, we know it's a quartz movement. We see it ticking, okay? But it's just, it amazes me. Some of these lower tier watches, you know, they won't even tell you something like that in terms of, you know, what it, you know, what movement is in the watch. I guess they figure it's cheap enough, you know, the people that are buying it might not care. I don't know. $325, okay? That's what we're looking at there in terms of the price. Well, the MSRP, not the price. And then there's the glamour shot right there. So there's the glamour shot. Like I said, not a bad looking piece. I think it looks very nice in person and in terms of the you know, and on the website. But like I said, nice little throw and go, nice little I don't care about it piece for the theme parks, for the parks, you know, so you can bang it around and not care. Thank you so much for stopping in, guys. Yeah, like I said, I do appreciate everyone who watches the videos. I do appreciate everyone who hits like. I really do appreciate everyone who hits subscribe. Thank you so much. The channel is growing nicely. Like I said, I can't wait to get to that giveaway. So hit that like, hit the subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought the case size was. Oh, I actually wanted to point that out, actually. Let me go back. Hold on. Bear with me 1 second, guys, because this website kind of trips out here. Hold on. As I go back, I wanted to make sure that I pay that off. There we go. So if you were speculating with me on the case size, I want to pay that off before we leave here. 48 millimeters. Okay, so listen, it's not quite as big as that 52 millimeter Armatron we had the other day, but 48 millimeters. That's pretty big. So as you can see on my wrist, I guess it doesn't look terrible, but I can only imagine if you're a much smaller guy, it might look pretty crazy. Thank you so much for stopping in, guys. I do appreciate it. This has been Unbox and Chill.